Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to experiment with monthly versus annual price test in Recurly. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to experiment with monthly versus annual pricing in Recurly, you will need to create separate plans or use price segmentation for each billing frequency and direct different user groups to these options and then leverage Recurly's analytics to compare performance metrics. So for this, you need to simply go and tap open your Recurly. Once you open your Recurly, then you can simply log in into it. Once you have done this, you can simply set up the plans in Recurly. You can create two distinct plans, one with a monthly billing cycle and a second plan with annual billing cycle. You can use price segmentation within a single plan, and then you can implement A/B testing logic on your platform as well. You can define your variables, segment your audience, surface the correct price, and collect and analyze data in Recurly Analytics. After you have done this, you can also iterate and optimize it. Once you have collected sufficient data, analyze the results to determine which pricing mode was successful. Use these insights to refine your pricing strategy and iterate on future experiments. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.